Okay. It's a beautiful 50-degree day here in North Carolina. I found this product at AutoZone. It's a UV block clear coat headlight restoration kit by Sylvania. There's a UPC code on it. If y'all want to try and find this thing, stock number is probably SY12D27. I think I paid $14 for it. It goes in 3 easy steps. Preparation. We're going to wash the lenses. We're going to mask some painted surfaces. I ain't too concerned about that. This old truck ain't going to hurt. We're applying a surface activator, then we're going to sand and polish, and then we're going to clarify and seal. And when we get done, hopefully, that guy right there and that guy right there will look brand new. This will be Sylvania Headlight Restoration 1.